Hello friends, welcome to Gruhinis World. The feel of crunchy mango pieces with spicy sour taste, everybody will fall in love instantly with this instant mango pickle. Though it's a well-known recipe, preparing this with right measurements would make a lot of difference in taste. I'm going to show you this recipe in detail for perfect spiced pickle. So let's get started. Friends, I made this pickle 3 days ago and today my family is eagerly waiting to enjoy nice aromatic and perfectly soaked spiced mango pickle with hot rice and with some ghee on top of it. I hope you will also enjoy the same taste by making this pickle. If you try this recipe, please don't forget to share your feedback in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for more everyday recipes and special dishes. Thank you. Bye.